Yo, what's going on, EDM YouTube? Welcome to another vlog. My name is Manny, aka Frisky Hug. I go to a lot of raves, a lot of festivals, and I love to vlog about them. And today we are gonna go to Virginia Key. It's in Miami. If you guys saw that Art With Me music festival, so it's in the same location. So it's like on the beach. It's a very beachy vibe type of festival. I've never been to We Belong Here, my first time. Who do we have on the menu? Let's see. Let's put it there. So yeah, we got James Hype today. We got Cascade. And then for today's stuff, we're gonna be heading over to the Festival Babe's house. So Kat got us an Airbnb. We're collaborating with tons of brands. There's tons of activities to do. Rep my girls, Festival Babes. Big shout out. But my squad consists of me, Jake, and Eric. That's who you're mostly gonna see in the video. And I think that's it. Enjoy the vlog. Our first stop is Wawa. They're over there. I think they're getting some coffee. I am going for the breakfast option, and then I'm just gonna like a Monster or something. Yo, I came packing with breakfast burritos, hot Cheetos. Well, they're like Doritos.
And me.
And this guy, looking cute. Getting little chicken legs. We're just out here playing some John Summit, because John Summit is actually my all-time favorite artist ever. Like, there's not one person that outbeats me with the amount of love. So far, we've gone to Taco Bell, and we spent I think like an hour playing Pokemon. Us three. He got a Dioxys, I think. I did it, but I got a Kyogre and stuff like that. Okay, so we made it to the Festival Babe house. How's it going, brother?
Hi.
Hello. Yo. Hello. There you go.
Hey, what's going on, man? Just closed out on my latest business deal, so here we go, Bitcoin.
Sponsored by Beatbox. No, like really though. really love. And the only question stands is, where is Anna?
She doesn't feel good.
No, she wasn't allowed in the house.
You just gotta lock in the light.
Is it your first time, bro?
See some shit.
I forgot it.
Behind the scenes. Alright, so Jake had to go pee, so he left us. But, I mean, he's back now. And then Eric got the like before 3 p.m. entrance, and if he doesn't get in before like 3, then he's got like pay extra. So then I told him, I'll just drive the car and you just run for it, right? So that's our situation now. I gotta go to Will Call. But yeah, the day's just started. It's 3 p.m. by the way, so it's hot. Okay, we made it inside. Time is what?
Anyway, I was gonna never mind.
So we went to the will call section, and that took like 1 minute. And then I saw like the GA or VIP or whatever section over there, and that only took like 2 minutes for most people too. So pretty fast entrance if you got here pretty early. Eric and I just took some pictures at this one, but Jay's gotta take some midnight pictures. He's supposed to do it over there, over yonder. Eric's like, I'll see you in 20 minutes. We're gonna go take pictures and shit. We got some pictures in, so they look kind of cute. He got a couple videos, and then he got some cute little pictures for IEDM. Shout out IEDM, by the way, if I haven't shouted you out already.
$4, right?
Well, I mean they're $10 each, so.
We're gonna get 2 Stellas and then 2 of something else.
Yeah, caught a big wave.
And 2 big waves.
Okay, I normally don't record in the porta potty, but I thought this was pretty cool for a porta potty. Coat hanger and a cup holder. There's something about that black lipstick that's just.
Hi, baby. Ah!
You guys remember her from the Group Cruise vlog?
Hi, guys. Do you want to be my mom?
Yes.
Mom, this is Manny. Wait, this is Manny, babe. The one I was telling you about.
How are you? How's it going? So I'm just hanging out with the fam. Oh my god! No, this wasn't planned at all.
Crazy!
Georgie's doing the damn thing. She's doing the damn thing. But now we're gonna go to the porta potties, then we're gonna head back to Georgi. Eric went to the festival Bay meetup that they said they were gonna have, but the girls were like an hour and a half late. It is what it is. Honestly, low-key, the restrooms is like, it's a bunch of porta potties, but like, it's a lot, so like, kudos to that. Look who I just found! Ah, life is so edgy! I love seeing him, man. He's literally at every festival I go to. Remember EDC? That was fucking dope. I bumped into him during camping. Shit was fucking funny as fuck.
Las Vegas, yeah.
Do you know Georgi?
No.
So,
How are ya?
I love my words.
He's a friend, photographer.
No, you're good.
Tell us what you do.
Oh, I shoot videos. I love festivals. Frisky's the best guy I know in Orlando. So
I'm gonna do a little sweep.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi, I'm Megan.
Well, you look so different than this.
Whoa! Who is that? Who is it?
Who is it? It's that, I'm that bitch.
It's me.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm here with my boy and my girl. Look. Oh, they're precious.
You should definitely listen. He looks so different without the beard.
Yeah.
I miss it.
New year, new me.
he looks pretty sexy. This is the prep for his OnlyFans coming out soon. Yes.
New year, new me though, bitches. Why is the lighting so good like right here? It's like pristine. This is my cousin Eric Toro. And then it's Anna Banana.
Ooh, and a banana.
I'm here with Seaton. Is it C10 or C10? It's Seaton. And there's this fucking drummer. I don't know what the fuck he's looking at.